The purpose of this video is to do an unboxing of my 2019 organizer, which will be the Filofax Malden in the personal size. This video will be helpful for those who are trying to decide between getting a classic size planner or a personal size planner. This video will also be helpful because I will be doing an honest comparison of the Franklin Planner Aurora versus the Filofax Malden, and we are going to get started right now. Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and I am so excited. I do videos on practical planning. If you are new, please be sure to hit the like button. If you are watching from Facebook, please be sure to hit the like and then go to my Facebook page and hit the like button and follow me there so you can see more great videos. If you're watching from YouTube, please be sure to subscribe. And are you on Instagram? If so, please follow me at Tanya_plans. Now this is exciting because you get to see how the Filofax Malden looks straight out the box. Now I also did an unboxing on the pink Aurora binder that you see next to here. I will put the link in the description, but I did a separate unboxing video on that. Now that is the Aurora Classic, the pink one, in the blush color. In the classic size, and I decided to switch from that classic size to this Filofax Malden in the personal size. Now the reason I decided to switch is simple. My back started hurting. I was carrying this classic binder with me everywhere I went, and my back started hurting. I said, you know what, I need to lighten my load. So when I made a decision to switch, I was trying to make a choice between this Aurora in the chocolate color, which is a Franklin Covey planner, and the Filofax Malden, which you will see here in this video. I chose the Filofax Malden, and the reason I did is because my perception is that it was just going to be lighter. The rings were going to be smaller as compared to the Franklin Covey Compact, and also the binder is more flexible, where the Franklin Planner Aurora has a more stiffer feel to it. So I felt the more stiffness meant that it would be heavier because there needs to be material to keep it heavy like that. So I chose the Malden. Now, this is my first Filofax product, and I am impressed that it came with this very nice box. And this box can be used if you need to store your planner away later. You know how we like to switch binders every now and then. And it came with this very nice box. Now, when I unboxed, now here is a jot pad that came with the planner. Now, when I unboxed the Franklin Planner Aurora, it did not come with a box, although it's a much more expensive planner. So, and look here, you get some inserts with the Filofax binder, and I appreciate that, them giving us inserts just to get started with. Now I know inserts is a tricky thing because everyone has their preferences, but this planner comes with some inserts to help you get started. The Franklin Covey Aurora comes with no inserts, so that's one difference there. Now these inserts, the color is called Cotton Cream, which is a very nice clean color. The older I get, my eyes plays tricks on me, so I tend to stick with pages with a white crisp background. But this cotton cream color is very, very nice. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? This is how it looks coming out of the package. Now please, if you get a chance, go and look at my video where I unbox the Franklin Planner Aurora in the blush, and you will see the difference in the packaging. So this is how it looks coming out the box, and I mean, it's just packaged beautifully. I was just so very happy with this. Now if you're trying to decide if you should downsize between a classic size and into a personal size or a compact, one tip is, and this is what I did, I took a look at the writing that was actually on the pages in my compact, in my classic binder, and I saw that I was not filling up the whole page. So that told me that yes, I could downsize because currently I'm not using all of the page space in my classic binder. As you can see, the Filofax has a snap open and shut closure. The Franklin Covey binder comes with a strap closure, and I have had no problems with the strap closure. It's very well made. I never had a problem with the binder flying open, and I didn't want it to. Very well made. I just think this binder is just gorgeous out the package. So here I'm going to give you a close-up look at the stitching. The contrast stitching is just beautiful. You know, I've had this planner a couple of days since I've done the voiceover on this video, and I had this sitting on my desk, and one of my male co-workers came over and he said, wow, that's a nice planner. I would carry that. So this planner is great for both men and women alike. It looks very rich and classy. You can tell it's leather. It looks like a very nice quality product. Now there you can see there are also inserts inside this planner. So not only there's the Filofax logo on the spine there. Not only does it come with a separate pack of inserts for 2018, at the time of this video it was the end of 2018. It also came with some other inserts for the next year. So that's great, because if I wanted to use this planner right away, I have inserts to use it right away. Or if I want to wait until the new year, I can do that too. Now the Franklin Planner Aurora, the one you see in the blush pink there, it has a stiffer, as you can see, I'm just comparing the two so you can see the difference in this personal size and the classic size. Now if you want to compare the two as far as how it feels, the Franklin Planner Aurora, the binder is stiffer. So when you lay it out flat, for example, I normally use my planner sitting up in bed at night. And there I'm just showing you the size. This is about 7.5 inches tall and about 5 inches wide for the personal size. Now, when I'm sitting up in bed, I could just start writing with this planner. Now the Filofax Malden, I've had it a couple of days since doing this video. The Filofax Malden is more flexible. So when I tried to write on my lap, it felt different because I didn't have that sturdy writing surface like I did with the Aurora. So that's one difference. If you do a lot of writing where you're not actually at a desk, keep that in mind, that the cover is more flexible. So you may need to put it on a table or something like that before you just start writing in the Filofax. Now, so as you can see inside here, there is a zipper with some card pockets. So, and there's a Filofax embossed logo there. So now let's take a look at these zippers. Now, here is a nice little pocket. You can put some change in there. You can stick an ink pen or a pencil or two in here, or whatever you would like to put in here. Sometimes people like to carry paper clips. Sometimes people like to carry little post-it notes with their planner. It could be all put here. It's about 2 inches deep. Now the zipper feels very good. It doesn't feel like it will get stuck. It doesn't feel like a cheap zipper. Now compared to the Franklin Covey Aurora binder, this zipper feels more premium. There's more pull when you zip this up and down. So as far as quality goes, I would choose the Franklin Planner Aurora's zipper over the Filofax Malden. Then here you have 4 credit card slots, and then here is a place where you can put dollar bills if you like, or other things like stamps or whatever you like to carry in your planner. And just to give you an idea of how deep the back pocket is, I just wanted to stick the ruler in there. A little less than 4 inches deep. So there's a lot of space there, and the deeper the pocket the better, because you can put things deeper in there and you don't have to worry about them falling out. Now I want to show you how wide the Filofax inserts are. They are about 4 inches wide. I do not plan to use Filofax planner pages. I plan to use Franklin Planner's planner pages, her point of view, in the compact size. So be sure to watch my future videos so you don't miss Filofax binder with Franklin Covey inserts. So again, I appreciate that Filofax provided inserts to get started with. So here is The back pocket. And to give you an idea of how deep the back pocket is, I stuck the ruler in there. I think cell phones will fit in there. If you have ink pens that you want to fit in there, that will definitely fit. I've done that before. Okay, as you can see, the inserts comes with 4 tabs numbered 1 through 4. It's important to note that Franklin Planner binders come with hard page lifters. The Filofax does not come with hard page lifters, so you'll have to plan on putting a dashboard in or maybe some plastic insertables to protect your planner pages. Now, as far as the binder laying flat out the box, it lays flat enough. For some people, that's important. The Franklin Planner Aurora, it lays flat straight out the box, probably because of the stiffer material. And the Filofax, the way it lays coming out the box is not a showstopper. It lays flat enough, and I'm sure it can be trained to lay even flatter. So here are some to-do lists that comes in with the inserts. And I counted, there are basically 6 pages of each type of insert that I am showing here. Here are some blank notes pages, which is great just for taking general notes. It comes also with some graph paper. I went to college for accounting, and I love some spreadsheets, so I love graph paper. Now, some people like the bullet journal. This will be great for that. And some people would like to add up numbers with graph paper, which is what I like to do. As you saw, there are some blank pages, and there are some contact pages. Now, in this day and time where everyone is using cell phones, do you notice how no one can remember people's numbers anymore? Well, and here are some different color note pages. That's what I'm showing here. And I feel like it's important to write down important contact information. What if your electricity goes out? What if your cell phone, here's a page finder that comes with the Filofax planners, and it has centimeters on one side, inches on the other. What if the cell phone goes out, or what if electricity is out in your home and you need someone's phone number? You can't just go and rely on electronics all the time. I think it's important to have important phone numbers written down in your planner. Now, these inserts show a calendar, and here are inserts for personal information, including your medical insurance company, emergency information, etc. And these inserts, Filofax is based outside of the United States, so these inserts do have additional languages on them, but English is always the first language on the inserts. So you will notice other languages on the inserts. This I'm showing the week on 2 pages, and that's it. I just really appreciate Filofax including inserts in their binder altogether. Now, this is a clear page sheet protector that's included here. Now, as far as quality, I like the quality of the Franklin Planner sheet protectors better. They're more harder and sturdier. This sheet protector felt very, very soft. Now let's take a look at ring sizes. In the Filofax personal size, the ring size measures, it looks like it's under an inch. On the website it says it's 7/8 of an inch. And in the Franklin Planner Aurora, this is the classic size, it looks like it's under 2 inches. On the websites it says it is 1.5 inches. And if you get the compact Aurora, it's 1.25 inch rings. You'll see the Filofax Personal is about the size of my hand. And now I'm going to show you how these planners look in the typical type of purses. I normally carry tote style purses such as this to and from work and everywhere. I just love the size of these purses. They're not too big, they're not too small. But this is how my classic looks in here, and you see my wallet in there. And I took out some of the items for the purpose of this video, but I normally carry more than what you see here. But this is how the Filofax Classic looks, and so it is portable. It is possible to carry. I have about an inch worth of inserts in my Classic. It is possible to carry, but I wanted to go smaller. So now this is how my personal binder looks, and look at all that additional room that I have in the planner. So I mean in my purse. I love it. I'm going to be able to carry more or less, and hopefully this will help my back to stop from hurting. And again, all of this stuff that you see here in this video is included on my website. I have pictures and links because I want you to visit my website, people. Visit my website. This is my wallet. My wallet itself is leather, so it has weight, and I plan to get rid of the wallet and use my Filofax Malden as a wallet, and I'll be doing a separate video on that. Now here I am laying both the classic size and the personal size flat out so you can see the difference in the size and writing space that you have there. The Franklin Planner is obviously more wider because it is a classic size planner, but even if I would have gotten the compact Aurora, it would have been wider than this Filofax. So let's take a look at the pin loops. There's no elasticity on this pin loop, and my Frixion gel clicker pins did not fit in this pin loop at all. So if you have a fat pen, do not plan on using this pin loop in the Filofax Malden. You could stick it on the side like that, but then it kind of hangs over in the planner, so that would drive me crazy. Or you could put the pen in like that. There, I was just seeing how the pen looks if it kind of pokes through on the other side. Here I put the ink pen. It does fit in the zipper pouch, so you could put pens and colored pencils in the zipper pouch. But how I ended up carrying it is like that, where I just kind of stick the clip to the side there, and that's how I carry my pen in my Filofax Malden. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you're watching from YouTube, please select one of the videos on the screen to play another video from my channel.